Lot number 120 is a Ford 675D backhoe loader. This thing has been parked here and out of service for well over 2 years. Both rear tires are flat and dry rotted. It's missing the front tire on the left side. Shows surface rust all around. Parts are missing. Hoses are dry and rusty. Engine covers are missing. The motor appears to be complete. It shows a lot of surface rust. The roof is rusty and has holes. The front bucket looks good. Shows surface rust but appears to be complete and solid. Mechanical conditions are unknown. No keys are available. It's being sold as is. The little bucket in the rear is dismantled. It is included, but it's dismantled, just sitting there. It's the buyer's responsibility to load this. The city is not going to help in any way in the loading of this vehicle. So make sure you get someone who can come out with the correct equipment to load it on a trailer and get it out. Again, it's being sold as is. Mechanical conditions are unknown. This thing has been sitting back here for over 2 years, untouched. Tires are dry rotted. Rear ones are flat. Hoses are dry and rusty. And that's it. That's all I know about it. So that's it. It's lot number 120. Lot number 120. Good luck.